Welcome to the Visual Fractions YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore how to convert the fraction 21/100ths to a decimal. To convert the fraction 21/100ths to a decimal, all we need to do is divide the numerator, the top number, by the denominator, the bottom number. So, we simply divide 21 by 100. The answer we get is 0.21. To do this by hand using long division, we start by writing 21 as the dividend and 100 as the divisor. Since 100 doesn't fit into 21, we add a decimal point in our answer and append 2 zeros to 21, making it 2100. How many times does 100 go into 2100? Exactly 21 times. We write 21 after the decimal point in the quotient, making it 0.21. Multiplying 21 by 100 gives us 2100. When we subtract 2100 from 2100, we get a remainder of 0. So, there we have it. The fraction 21/100ths converted to a decimal is 0.21. This conversion process demonstrates a straightforward method to understand and represent fractions in decimal form. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to Visual Fractions. Thanks for watching.